Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Brushly fully automatic toothbrush. They did send me this product review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or finding out more about it, the link to the Kickstarter campaign will be in my video description below. Here's how it comes packaged in a really nice retail box. We can see the really cool product photo right here. We can see their logo and branding on this side, as well as the Bluetooth icon and the wireless charging icon. So this does support wireless charging, and it has a Brushly app for your smartphone, which we'll try out in this video. We can flip it around too. We can see all the package contents and a QR code here at the bottom. A couple more features about this toothbrush. It's fully automatic. It comes with liquid toothpaste, which is fully foaming as well, which is really neat. It supports wireless charging. It has Bluetooth and a smartphone app. It's on Kickstarter, and the technology it uses is a high-frequency acoustic vibration that can clean your teeth in as little as 10 seconds. Oh, and did I mention it's fully waterproof as well with an IPX7 rating. So really excited to try this out, guys. Let's go ahead. Let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have a user guide right here walking us through step by step how to set everything up, complete with diagrams and charts along the way, and they have QR codes if you ever have any questions or need any help. Next, we have 150 milliliters of liquid toothpaste right here. Then you can see we got a USB charging cable with a micro USB end for the wireless charger. We have your antibacterial silicone brush head. We have your Brushly brush head base right here. This is really nice, guys. You can see we got one button on the front, a couple different icons up there for the battery and Bluetooth. We can look at the back. That's where we're going to go ahead and insert the liquid toothpaste. And then you can see the ports on the bottom as well. This is really nice. Good size, shape, and feel to it. Really fits nicely in your hand. And last but not least, we have the dust cover right here for the toothbrush and the wireless charging base we can see on the bottom. So this just comes right off. And on this side, we can see where we're going to plug the USB cable into the base to charge the toothbrush back up. And again, just a nice cover for the unit. Now, guys, let's go ahead, get the Brushly app downloaded, scan the QR code on the package, on the manual, or anywhere else that you can find it, and let's go ahead and set it up the rest of the way. So the app's available on iOS and Android devices. Once you download the app, you'll be at this screen where we can go ahead and add a new device in the top right-hand corner. So go ahead, hit that plus icon right there. It's going to scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Now I want to point out this is a pre-production model. So in this video, this does not even have a Bluetooth radio in it. So we're unable to connect it to our mobile device. If you're a backer for this product, they will send you the final product and final version that will have full Bluetooth functionality. So you can connect to this with your phone and change the settings. So since we can't go any further with the mobile app, let's go ahead. Let's set this up right now. Setup is super simple, guys. We're going to go ahead, we're going to take the brush head, we're going to line it up with the Brushly and just push it on like that. Now it's ready to go. Now we're ready to add in the liquid toothpaste right here. So we're going to fill it up through this back port. So you can just peel off this little grommet right there. Don't worry if you pull the whole thing off, you can just push them back into place. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to loosen this cap, and we're going to pour some liquid toothpaste into it. So we're filling it up slowly right now. So we're going to add a little bit more, and we can add 30 milliliters into the toothbrush. So there we go. We've added probably a little bit less than 30 milliliters. Again, this is a 150 milliliter bottle. So about 1/5 of this you can put the solution in at a time. Then we can shut that seal back up. Doesn't really have a smell. I want to say it smells a little bit minty, maybe just a smidge. It kind of reminds me of the dentist. So there we go, guys. You can see now we have the liquid toothpaste in there and we're ready to try this out. First, we're going to go ahead. I got a bowl of water. So we're going to film the bowl of water so maybe you can see the vibrations and how that looks. So let's do that right now. So we got the bowl of water here, and now to operate the toothbrush, just go ahead, push the big button at the front of the Brushly device. So just push that big B button. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put it in the water like this. So there we go, and we're gonna push the button. And now it's vibrating, and you can see how the toothpaste is foaming for us already in the water. So that's really neat, guys, really exciting. I thought it might vibrate the water a little bit more. It's not. but it's working at such a sonic and micro level that it's going to be hard to see, but you can definitely tell that it's foaming up for you to give you that really nice, clean feeling and sensation in your mouth. It should only last a couple more seconds. There we go. And now it's done. So that's really cool. That's really neat. Really like that. So now let's go ahead. I'm going to try this out in my bathroom and see how it feels. So now we're ready to try it out. Again, we're going to place it into our mouth and then push the button, and it's going to last for around 10 seconds or so. So it just felt like a normal electric toothbrush. I could feel it foaming in my mouth as well, but it was pretty quick, and what's really nice is it's hands-free, so you could be shaving, putting on deodorant, or doing something else while you're brushing your teeth. So if you want a more thorough clean, when you have it in your mouth and you power it on, start rotating it from the left and to the right and keep mimicking that motion back and forth like you're brushing your teeth. That will help you get an even deeper clean. So as you can see in the video, very easy to clean your teeth, and I really like this wireless charging case that lights up when it's charging, and then the light turns off when it's fully charged, and they got that nice dust cover on there for us. In case you're wondering, it doesn't matter which direction you put this in your mouth, it won't affect the cleaning. It can work either way, so right side up or upside down. I love the hands-free functionality of this toothbrush. It's just so convenient to put it in and not worry about it. So you could put deodorant on, you could shave, you could blow dry your hair, you could curl your hair, put on makeup, anything like that during your morning or evening routine, hands-free. So just a really nice luxury and convenience to be able to multitask like that. Now I gotta point out, my teeth feel really clean. I have that really nice clean teeth sensation, and I'm shocked because it only lasted like 10 seconds. So I'm not a dentist to know if this is better or worse than an electric toothbrush or your manual toothbrush, but it definitely cleaned my teeth. I can feel it. So I'm really impressed with this product overall, and I think it's really cool and definitely the toothbrush of the future. If you're interested in backing this product, the link to it is below, so be sure to check it out online today. Hit that like button for us. Subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily. Don't want you guys to miss anything. Reach out with any questions, comments, or concerns below. We'd be happy to answer them for you or point you in the right direction. Go ahead, follow us online, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website, join our free newsletter, follow us on Twitch, and join our Discord server. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.